Hello student, welcome back to BHS Sunnati Academy. This is your science teacher, Rasmi Dixit. So again we have our science period and we are learning the chapter 1, that is our skeleton system. So today we have our first chapter, that is our organ system. So in the previous life class we have learned about different internal organs and function. Now we will talk about some organ systems. So first organ system we have in our body, that is very important, skeletal system. Okay, as you can see in the picture, skeletal system, it is a how we can recognize any animal, any human being based on the skeletal system. So today we have to learn about the, okay, means it is a rigid framework of, or we can say it is a combination of bones in a structured way that protects our all internal organs. Now if we will more on talk about the skeletal system, so we all know that there are total 206 bones in our human body. There are 206 bones in our human body that comes together and form a rigid framework, and also this skeletal system gives a shape and support to our body. Okay, that's why the system is very important, because the skeletal system of human body gives a fixed shape and support to our body, as well as the skeletal system, or we can say the bones help us for the movement. If we want to move our body, then we need two bones for this. So that's why it is also very important for us. Now one by one, if we will talk about the skeletal system, or and this skull is connected with the vertebral column. So the upper part, it is a combination of the some bones which protect our spine, or we see in the picture vertebral column. So basically this skull protect our brain. And if we will talk about the eye socket, and inner side or osseous skull, means we all know that brain is very important for us, for our body, because in our skull all our, you can see in the picture there are two eye sockets, because we have the two eyes, so brain is important, and this delicate organ is protected by the eyeball. And also we have the eyeball in our eyes, as we have the two eyes, so in the protected by you can see there are two eye sockets, bony eye sockets. You can see the two circles next in the skull. So these are the eye socket, and this eye socket protects our eyeballs. Okay, next if we will talk about the back case, so rib case backbone, you can see in the picture the backbone. We know that we have the two lungs and the heart. It is joined from the hip organs are protected by connected with the skull to hip bone, and this bone, the backbone, protects our talk about the rib case. So we have the backbone or spine, which is also very important part of the nervous system. There are 12 pairs of this backbone protects our spine. 12th one, now further if we will move on free to the floating bones, that is they are not interconnected with you can see each other, as you can see the lower part of our body. So we have the hip bone. So this hip bone basically again what skull protect our brain of this vertebral column protects our urinary bladder. Rib cage protect our lungs, whatever the extra. Now, or if we will talk about the last point of vertebral column, our body part is as a form of urine, and the last this point urinary bladder is protected by our hip girdle. So that hip girdle. So hip, what is the importance of hip girdle? So hip girdle protects each and every internal and delicate organs will be protected. Last point of vertebral column is now if we will talk about this hip girdle protects in the science language, we will talk. So this is our component of the arms or legs are known as skull, arm, hip girdle, limb, vertebral column, and rib cage. The bones or bones combination of hand and legs are called as a limbs bones. Okay, now again if we will talk about the skull, so there are total 8 bony plates of the skull that are joined together and protect the bone. Again I will tell you the number of bones. There are total 8 bony plates which are joined together to protect our bone, and well as there are total 33 bones of our backbone. Okay, as you can see backbone, or it is also called as a vertebral column. This vertebral column or backbone has total 33 bones, and this backbone protect our spinal cord. I already told you that spinal cord is very important part of the nervous system. Whatever we have to with the nervous system we can receive and we can send the signals, or we can do any activity, or we can do any activity through our mind, our body. So this all the activities are done by our nervous system, and spinal cord is main important part of our nervous system. Now if we will talk about the rib cage, as you can see in the picture, rib cage, skeleton system is basically made of different types of bones. Rib cage protects our lungs, some bones are soft and hard, some are thin, some are thick. So there are different types of bones in our body, lungs in our skeleton system, and these organs are protected by the rib cage. Have if we will count number of bones, it doesn't there are total 12 pairs of bones. The human will be a short, 12 pairs of bone of the rib cage of the protect our lungs the same in all human beings. That's now why if we will see lower side of the lower side of the pictures, we can find that 11 pair of the arrangement are joined together, interconnected, but 12th one is I have free floating bones. They are not interconnected with as well as a 12th pair of rib arrangement of not interconnected with both skeleton. These are the free floating. Only what happens bones of on the body, size on the 11 pair of the bones can vary from one person connected another person. Like 11 pair of person, then I will have the longer bones. If I am a short person, number of the length of the that answer will be the for that 12 pair, or as well as there will be a difference of the total 24 bones are there in a rib cage. Adult and kid. So this is passage of the time of the years. We have learned what is the important. Again, we will repeat what is the importance of skeletal structure. So skeletal system protects. There is a difference between the and support to our body. Size and also it of the size of the body movement one person to another person, but the arrangement of the bones all our internal organ from any damage. So again and again I am saying one of that most there will be a difference important the size of our body bones. So you have to watch this video and read the topic, and if you have any doubt in this topic, then we will meet in the next live all the human beings. You can ask me your doubt, or you can clear your doubt during that live class. Thank you. Skeleton system, again I will repeat at that ending of the video. I will again repeat basic components of the skeleton system. That is, first one is skull. Skull protects our brain. Eye socket, which protects our eyeball. Rib cage, which protects our lungs and heart. There are total 12 pair of rib cage, and 12th one is free floating bones, which I will explain later in the live class or in the video. Then hip girdle. So what is hip girdle? Hip girdle also save the urinary bladder. We have the urinary bladder. Through with the urinary bladder we throw out the urine from our body, and this organ system is protected by the hip girdle. We also have the limb bones. I have already in the previous class we have learned our legs and hands are called as a limb in the science language. Means our hands and our legs are known as a limbs in the science language. So there are limbs bone. If we will talk, our hand bones and legs bones are known as a limb bone. We will more talk about on this topic in the next live class. Till thank you.